Hey, how you doing, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You're new to the page. A couple of things. First, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. We keep it real here. Hey, this is a page of all ages, all races. Come join the family, okay? And then also never fall for spam. I will never ask you for your email. Never talk about a WhatsApp or a broker. That's spam. Don't fall for it, good people. Not just on my page, but on anybody's page. I just want to leave you with an afternoon update on what's going on in the markets. Just like we thought, I stated Wednesday that I thought that we would have one green day and one red day. The green day was yesterday. The red day is today so far. It could turn around, okay? So we don't know. We're just going to monitor it and watch it. These are the times when you need someone that know how to navigate these type of waters. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that are great in this area. Myself, I've been through this time after time, year after year. So you really want to watch out right now for who you're getting information from. Like I said, there's a ton of experienced YouTubers out there, and I would suggest that you guys only listen to them. There's a ton of them. All right. Zip Trader is another one. The Traveling Trader. I spoke about Keenan Grace. I spoke about Stock Mo yesterday, Stock Curry. There's so many, but just be careful of who you're getting information from. Okay. So let's go into, I am going to talk about NIO again. And we're going to talk about what's going on in the markets. So this is what I was talking about. See, DIDI delisting could spell the end for Chinese stock on Wall Street. Now, this is DIDI, which is a Chinese company. I explained it yesterday that when you're buying a Chinese company, it is not. The deposit is not in American banks. It's actually the depository is offshore. So it's complicated. And I won't get into that. Please look at my video before this. But I just want to just cover what's going on. Because of that, there's a lot of fear. A lot of fear in the market. Will it go up? Will it go down? Will all Chinese stock be delisted? Let's just get right into NIO. NIO actually, last year, remember, was that last year or the beginning of this year when America, see this whole thing about America delisting these Chinese companies, this is not new. This is something that spooked the markets before, remember? But we found out back then that NIO was incompliant. That's why on yesterday I said that I don't think that NIO will get delisted. But as you can see, DIDI did, and we'll see what other Chinese companies will, right? And we don't know what China's going to do behind this, okay? Because like I said, it's a piss company now. It's a piss competition between the two countries. You know, America has policies with foreign traded stocks and foreign traded companies, all right? So they say these are our criterias and you must follow them. All right. And then China says, hey, we have our own. And so that's why all of this delisting, to make a long story short, that's why all this delisting is coming. So America want to see your books. They want to do an audit. All right. That's what it breaks down to. But what I will say is right now you have to be careful. OK, so NIO, yesterday I bought some more NIO. Remember, I bought some more NIO. Here's what I didn't do. I didn't double down. I bought more. Now, doubling down, you know, it depends on how you define that, okay? To me, doubling down is you buy the same amount that you have, and I didn't. I always suggest to you guys, remember the video that I did yesterday again, I said that NIO's a falling knife right now. And because it came down to 35, 50-ish, I bought some shares. Now, what I did was, and I suggest the same thing, but remember, before I say I suggest the same thing, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell the stock. Let me tell you what Larry did and what Larry does in situations like this. I take my money, I split it up into four, especially when it's volatile like this. Now, today we're dealing with less than expected job reports. So today is Friday. The job reports came in not hot enough. And so it's tanking the market. All right. So the market is tanking and crypto is tanking. Couple that with the debt ceiling, they kicked that can down the road again. So now we're into February with that. So that was a good deal. But we're also in December. So a lot of people are doing profit taking. Now, let me warn you guys that we're at record highs for CEOs and whales to be cashing out. I need to let you guys know that. They are taking their money and they're cashing out. We're at record highs for that right now. I don't have the exact, maybe we'll discuss that later this evening. So the market keeps going up, 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 up. And it being Friday with all of this fear, uncertainty, all of this FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, people will get nervous with their money. You may have thousands and they have millions and sometimes billions of dollars in the market. And so the weekend, you get a little skittish for the weekend and you start to do some profit taking. Then on top of that, you have tax season coming. And so some people are actually locking in losses to as a hedge against their profits so they can pay less capital gains tax. So you got all of that going on right now. So I bought some yesterday, some NIO. I'm looking at it. I'm monitoring it right now. It went as low as $32 and something cent at the time of making this video. So do I think I'm going to buy some right now? Because yesterday it looked good and today it looks even better. Remember, I took my money and cut it up to 4 parts, meaning the amount of money that I want to spend more of NIO, I took that money and split it into 4 parts. If I wanted to spend $100, I'm going to buy 4 different times at $25 a piece. Follow? And so that's what I'm doing right now. To be honest, because it is the weekend and it's a sell-off, I would, if I am going to buy it, I will wait to the last hour of the day. Professional traders trade the first hour and the last hour. And it's true. And they're out. They're on the golf course during the day because there's more money lost in the midday than anything. Okay. So the professionals got their money, they're gone. And then they come back at the end of the day. You guys check that out. Okay. So hopefully I'm helping you guys with some information that will help you to be a better trader. So I just wanted to let you know that. So I'm going to monitor and look at where NIO is at the end of the day. Then I might hit it with another quarter of my money that I want to spend in it. Remember, NIO for me is simply a swing trade. I got into it just so I can buy the rumor, sell the news, meaning that NIO day is, I believe, the 18th. I'm out on the 16th, okay, December. And so, but here's what happened when you get caught like this. So I call it, I'm caught now. This is what I want to tell you guys. If you get into a swing play like this and then something crazy happens to the market, and then of course we got Omicron, there's more cases. So here's why I'm probably not going to buy any NIO until Monday or Tuesday. We're just going to monitor it. I believe that over the weekend there's going to be more cases. The news media is pumping this thing crazy. Let me look at you guys. See if I can pull something up here. You know what? I don't even need to pull a chart up. Let me just tell you guys this. There hasn't been one death from this new variant, this Omicron. The effects have been mild, just like the regular COVID. The news media is just going to pump this like it's the end of the world. Now, we do have to be cautious. But I can tell you right now, they are further driving the market down. What you and I have to do is not get into politics We have to concentrate on politics simply as it pertains to our money. So now we need to get really skilled in this game of chess. It's not checker, it's chess. So what I would suggest now is just monitor and move real slow. What I'm doing is I'm not going all in on these dips right now. Remember, this is weekend. By Monday, we're going to have a little more news on this Omicron variant. And then we could start to make a wise play or wise decision. Okay, good people? Listen, I'm going to tell you that right now is the absolute best time to be learning, if you're not in the market, to be getting ready to buy some real dips. And because of that, if you're not into crypto, I have a link for Coinbase. It is one of the easiest platforms to use. Download it, get some free Bitcoin. And if you want to buy stock and crypto, I have a link for Webull down below. Download it. They're going to give you free stock worth up to $2,300. Okay, good people? The links are below. Check out all the links below. But listen, we have to be skilled. We have to stay positive. And I can tell you this again. When things are falling, there's a ton of opportunity. The way we go about taking advantage of this opportunity will make all the world difference. All right. We'll see you guys later. I love each and every one of you. Oh yeah. Shouts out to Chris Same. I saw last night that his dog was leaving and his dog was dying. So, hey, brother, hey, my love to you. We're sending prayers. I said a prayer for you last night. I know having a pet is like having a family member. They show you unconditional love. We're praying for you, brother. All right. Love each and every one of you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.